Cassell's Hamburgers. Al Cassell opened his hamburger joint in 1948 and quickly became a Los Angeles lunch counter legend famous for grinding meat daily. In 2014, Cassell's Hamburgers was reborn on the ground floor of the Hotel Normandy, a few blocks from its original 6th Street location, using the old wooden signs, menus, founder's recipes and a lot of his equipment, the Crossfire broiler, grinder and patty press. The antibiotic and hormone-free beef is still ground every day. Burger time also includes fried chicken sandwiches, milkshakes, house-made pies and stiff cocktails. The restaurant opens early for a classic 50s breakfast and stays open late on weekends for post-karaoke sustenance. Or if you followed Beyonce's lead and converted to veganism, K-Town also has herbivores burger cravings covered. Monty's Good Burger, an itty-bitty spot that always has a line, keeps it 100% plant-based by using impossible patties, soy ice cream, Vegenaise, non-dairy cheese, freshly squeezed lemonade and sodas made with pure cane sugar. They also use compostable serving products and make 5 sauces including Sriracha, aioli and house.